Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Apex Seal Detonator. On this episode, I'm going to do a little bit of tuning, bit of tinkering, change a few things around on that sucker there. And then I'll just go get myself a permit, take it for a bit of a lap and see if it makes any difference. I've got a sneaky suspicion that I've got too much premix in that tank, and I've also got a mysterious vacuum leak somewhere else. But anyway. Right, this tune here, the 4-port manual BRAP tune. I'm going to try flashing it in and see how it responds. I'll go to template B and I will cross that off there. Yeah, okay. We'll wait for it to flash and we'll see how it goes. While it's doing this, I'll show you something. Now, this is the way you can probably test if your solenoids are working. If you don't want to take all that off, if you can get to the hoses, just plug them in individually. Maybe use a bit of longer hose or put an extension on there, and then you can actually see if it pulls more vacuum when you get it to the point where it's supposed to open, then you know they're working. If it doesn't, obviously it's not working. I think there's an issue with this car, but yeah, we'll find out soon enough. Okay, all right, turn the ignition off. Right, come on, come on, come on. It'll say, probably turn it on again, or maybe, all right, it is off, yes. And that is it. Okay. All right, I've obviously had this running before. Make sure it's out of gear. We don't want to go through the fence. Okay, we'll see if she accepts this tune. Shush. Be quiet. Okay. What's it doing? Here we go. We'll let itself learn. Okay. It doesn't seem to like that tune very much. It's okay for a while, then it starts hunting. Alright, we'll try another tune. Alright, we'll try another tune. Oh, okay. No worries, it doesn't like that one. Okay, we'll have to find another one. Okay, it doesn't mind that one. We'll see what happens. I've actually ran this tune in this car already, but it was hunting. It's not a BRAP tune. It's just higher idle, so we'll see what happens. All right. Okay. That runs nicely, actually. 1200 RPM. All right, we'll let it warm up and we'll see if it stalls or conks out. So I didn't like that one either. We're going to flash yet another one into it. Commanded. Current. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just let it idle for a couple of minutes. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. Self-learn. smells like premix. There might be some shit in the tank, eh? But I mean, it hasn't stalled. So anyway, it's all parked up now. I need to do the clutch. I need to bleed it. Now, Dwayne gave me this clutch. It still had a bit of meat on it, but I could smell it burning a little bit because the pedal, I'll show you. The pedal's not all the way up. So I think, yeah, I mean, that's where it is there. You know what I'm saying? So I think it needs to be bled a little bit. Apart from that, gearbox feels good. What else? Oh, mate, the suspension, max Peding coilovers, they feel freaking unreal. This thing here will do for the time being. I will probably take this whole kit off and try my other kits on. So yeah, I may even sell this kit, possibly the whole lot, except for the turbo obviously and the exhaust, but I possibly will sell the whole kit and the manifold. So obviously APV, SSV, all that shit, don't know about it. Don't know about it. No, I don't care. Couldn't give a shit about it. 5800 there, 12.86, and that's not bad. That's not bad. I mean, it's not leaning out. You know what I'm saying? Bro, look at it. It's pretty good, man, considering this thing is untuned. Yeah, so that's it, pretty much. Oh, look at this beast. It looks pretty good, It looks pretty intimidating without no front bumper bar. It's running good. It needs plugs. It needs the coilovers adjusted. It's a bit too low at the front at the moment, so I'll be doing that. And yeah, I possibly will be selling the complete kit, except for the exhaust. So you'll have your intercooler, you'll have the brackets that bolt onto the crash bar, all the piping, the intake pipe, the manifold, and not the wastegate obviously, but there'll be a pipe there for the wastegate. So that's what I probably will be doing at this stage. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, guys, to tell you the truth. You know, the car didn't cost me much, $3,000. I bought the car for $3,000 and basically sold all the running gear out of it and nearly got my money back. And then I had a gearbox laying around. I bought a cheap 4-port for it. You know what I mean? You got to keep an eye out for bargains. You can build one of these pretty cheap. You don't have to go spending like, I mean, I know people that have spent 20, 30 grand on these, plus, you know, some 40, 50. You don't need to. You see, this thing goes pretty good, and it's not even tuned properly yet. Once I get a decent tune and set up the suspension and all that sort of stuff, it's going to be a little ripper. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. And I guarantee you guys, once this is all done, this will come in probably under 10 grand though. And I guarantee you, even though the haters will say something completely different, this thing will last me for a long time, because I'm an old school freaking mechanic and driver. I know how far you can push these things. I'm not going to push it beyond. I'll you know what I mean? I'll get it there. I'll get it close, but I'm not going to push it to the point of destroying it. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching. I'll catch you on the next episode, and hopefully pretty soon we'll have an update on this sucker here. But for now, have a good rest, baby. And as for you guys, we're up to 1,900 subscribers, so thanks heaps for your support. Share, subscribe, tell your friends about this page, and yeah, hopefully we get to 2,000 pretty soon. When we do, I'll be mentioning it. Anyway, guys, have a good one, and I shall see you on the next episode of Apex Steel Detonator. Bye now.
Pulling up to the back door. They already know where we came from. Got the whole section going crazy. That's she gon' make me throw some money on it. Yeah, we in the zone now. In the zone. Money on the floor now. On the floor. Never seen a crew so fly. Yeah, we taking over the town. Taking off.
All right.
Make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this paper I can buy.
I don't think it is. Get out of the way, Victor.
Yeah, it ain't even a try. Shot it bad, bigger than a milkshake. Every time she move it, make the ground shake. And the friend do it with her, for goodness sake. She don't even like the fellas, but a stack will make a play. Gon' make a play. Gon', make a play. She don't even
No
like the
scratch
fellas,
marks on it or anything, no.
but a stack
Might be right, man. You might be right. It might be a fucking... Yeah. No scratch marks on the bloody... on the housing.
Whole bank account, I might just let it go. For another night like this, another crazy show. I'm on the stage every time shawty go low. I'm so
Bit of play, but
I
I mean, it's not. I'm just trying to make it.
Yeah, we in a zone now. In a zone.
Give me a minute.
Money on the floor now. On the floor. Never seen it go so fast.